You know that Sunday night feeling? You know that knot in your stomach when you realize, oh my God, I have to go back to a job that's going nowhere? I lived with that feeling for years, stuck on a hamster wheel, running faster but getting nowhere. My escape plan was chasing every get rich quick scheme, which felt like trying to catch fish with my bare hand. I tried every new hack out there, only to surface more broke and frustrated than ever before. But here's the real escape. It wasn't a secret trick, it was a simple shift in thinking. I'm going to show you how I stopped chasing fast cash and started building a tangible, long term digital asset that finally gave me the freedom I've been looking for. For years, I've been asking, how can I actually make money online? I finally realized that that was the wrong question. The right question was, what can I build online that people may find valuable? That one word changed from making to building changed everything. I stopped looking for hacks and started studying a business model. That's when I discovered digital assets. Think of it like the difference between working for a daily wage versus building a house. A day laborer is only paid for the hours they work, right? But if you make a home, that asset can generate rental income for you for a long time in the future, even while you're sleeping. That's a digital asset. I stopped being a digital day laborer and became a digital architect. Now, with this new mindset, my plan focused on two core pillars. First, I built a content engine. Think of this as a lighthouse. My blog and YouTube channel became a powerful beacon sending out a consistent light. My content around a topic I generally loved, I started slowly, but by keeping that light on, shining consistently, it attracted an audience and became the foundation for everything else. Second, a scalable product. If my free content was giving away the recipe, my scalable product was the gourmet meal kit. I packaged the knowledge I was sharing for free into a high value digital course. The magic is you create the meal kit once and then you can sell it forever. It's an income stream that stops you from trading time for money. The key connecting the lighthouse and the meal kits was my email list, the private bridge to my most dedicated audience. And hey, if this resonates with you and you're ready to start building something that lasts, could you do me a favor? And hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. So what's life like now? The Sunday night feeling is gone forever. Bye-bye. I wake up on Monday mornings generally excited about what I want to create. I have total control over my day. Freedom isn't about an empty calendar. Hell, it's about being the captain of your own ship. Okay, you still have to sail, but you get to choose the destination. I replaced the anxiety of a dead-end job with the purpose that comes from building a business. Now, if you can take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Stop chasing fast money and start building long-term value. Stop treating the internet like it's a lottery ticket and start treating it like a plot of fertile land. It provides you with the space to build a genuine. So lay that first brick today. I have a question for you. What's the first digital asset that you're inspired to start building? I would love to hear that in the comments below. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress. See you in the next video.